He tau nei ki runga i a tātou katoa, te wairua o ngā mātua tīpuna. Nā rātou i whakatākoto o te ara. Nā rātou i hōmai, tēnei taonga tuku iho, tēnei taonga ohooho, tīhei mauri ora.
Ko wai rātou. The book takes them on a journey. It takes them into themselves.
Everyone at Brave is so excited for this new puka puka to come out.
Mahi tūkino is real. Being raped and suffering sexual abuse is real. This book here looks into that and teaches our young ones, our rangatahi, and how to be safe.
What I feel like in this puka puka, it's quite similar where there's concepts such as your emotions and feelings, and when people are, you know, thinking about those kinds of things, it's really beneficial for people to understand, you know, why they might be feeling a certain way, whether it's feeling pōuri or whakamā. Once we're able to understand those feelings, we're able to come up with solutions about how to deal with those. So I think, you know, being able to educate our rangatahi about, you know, possibly those emotions they're going through is going to be really beneficial.
One thing I loved about the journal is how it connected me back to my roots and my culture and just made me feel special, and it
helps you understand, you know, the mana that you've got, because it's from our whakapapa that we get our mana and our mātauranga. So I think that this puka puka is going to be really helpful to help educate rangatahi who might be going through struggles about where they come from, who they come from, and it's going to give them that mana to be able to go forward from those challenges.
The most important thing about this puka puka, ko Wai Au, it's a prevention tool.
Definitely, if she was in a situation that she needed more support, I would offer her this journal and just be by her side at that time.
It is made specifically so that our rangatahi know how to be safe, know where to go to for help, know when they have been subjected to any violence or anything that doesn't sit right with them. Where do they go? Kei hea, nā huarahi tika. This book here helps to provide that information. Tīhei, mauri ora. Enjoy.